Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ello 64oz Hydra jug. This is my absolute go-to every single day. I personally, because of my own fitness and health journey, have a minimum requirement of 120 ounce consumption of water every day. This baby makes it super easy because all I gotta do is have 2 of these and I know I have hit my mark. So first of all, let's talk about how big this is. It is literally bigger than my head, but it is super easy to carry around. It has a little thing right there on top, which is nice. It's also a very good durable material and it's insulated. And by the way, you can keep something cold for up to 40 hours in this thing. It's still cold. It's crazy. Also, we have a cute little nipple right here that is like silicone. It's a great material, really easy to kind of like rest your bottom lip on. We also have this guy right here that can kind of come down and clasp in place. And then if it's not locked, you simply click that button right there to pop it open. I literally use this every single day. It is my go-to water bottle. So if you're looking for something that is easy to carry around, that is easy to refill, and that helps you reach your water goals, this is the one.